Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add white frame to the image in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets file. Firstly, in this video, I will show that add white frame to the image. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for the drawing option. Now click for the image. Then open your desktop then you choose picture. Now for select, then you click for open. That's it. Then show the insert from the image, add the white frame. Now click on the border edit option, then choose size and click on the border color option, then click on the white color. Now click on the save and close option. That's it. Then I show the add white border color image in Google Sheets file. Is very easy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.